pick this little like yellow. Where I'm at.
Right there.
And rub, tap, 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 tap. All right. Make sure you wipe it first. If you have 6 brushes, that's good too. If you don't have a 6 brush, you only have 1 brush like me, just make sure you wipe it off. If you do 10 nails for the clients, you want to do all of this first. The same color first and before you move to the next one. Is that good?
That's fine.
Let me go with this. Hold on. I'm gonna take this.
No, go from here.
I'm going here.
Do this and go up. So you start at yellow and you end at green.
So it doesn't matter, whatever you do, it still looks good though. Yeah.
You can just do whatever. But so you have a nice shade, so go from bright to dark and go back to bright.
Okay. He's so good at that. The
And
artist.
also, when you do this pigment, some will blend in a little bit, so make it really nice ombre. Sometimes you have extra color pop out too, because you blend it too.
So pick it. I usually really like nervous in front of him drawing. It looks like a little jugs in front of him because he draws so well. But now I'm not afraid of him because whatever he say, I'm just like, okay, just agree and do my own things. Sees me in the confidence is do a lot for that. It is like, oh my gosh, you're so good. Okay, so now draw the nails for me. All right, so I go from like super adorables is neon. Is that yellow? Looks like a lemon green.
Yeah,
Yellow.
you start with yellow.
Yellows.
You go to hot pink.
And
you go to
then
purple.
hot
Now you
pink.
go to deep blue.
Oh, nice. Okay.
After that, you go light blue. Then you end with green.
Light blue. But you know what? Doesn't matter whatever we do. It's gonna turn out great. Just don't listen to people and tell you that you can't do it, and do it more. So then they'll be annoying and they're not saying it. That's what I do with my husband.
Right? Like if people hate you wearing skinny jeans, just wear it every day just to piss them off.
Hey, babe. This is funny. All right. Looks good so far.
Yep, and
Okay.
let it go to green. And just
It's don't afraid of this one. It looks like a messy, but it's not at all. At first, I'm so frustrated working with the pigments, but then when you're doing with this, it doesn't bother me at all. Just need to get a piece of your paper towels here. It does all the work for you. And then, okay, now go into the green. And make sure you blend it. So then your green and light blues, like a blue, so it's gonna go blend together. And now I'm gonna clean my brush really well. That's pigment, it's just so pigmented. Really good pigments. Look, it's good now.
I thought you were gonna use Whimsical.
No, not yet. I am. Just blending it. Oh, it looks good though.
Yeah.
Stunning. I did so many of the neon. This is like really cute one. All right, let me move this because remember one of the video I spilled whole entire that jars on it, so I have to get a whole entire. All right, so little sweet fancy corn. Oh look, she's almost matching with. Just dust it off using this. It doesn't stain your pigments at all, which is I love about this special bristles. And I just wipe it off in the paper. You see, it doesn't have as crazy like staining pigments at all. Just really cool. It's like helped me so much from being less messy. So now, if you're happy with this, you're top coated, good to go. But if you want to add some crystals placement, absolutely you can. I'm gonna use some crystal placements for the neon, I think. Let's see what we're having here. It's from Subscription Box. Got a little taste of the neons with beads and frame. So I'm gonna be gently apply the condensed glue gels floating on the top. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Did you do top coat before gel painting? Yes, Mika, I do top coat before gel painting and cure for 60 seconds on the top coat. Good question, Mika. I like. It's really thick density, so make sure you are apply it, blend it out. Enough. And you see that it's not like even, it's lumpy because it's condensed glue gel. So then we are going to float in the top coat on the top. Condensed glue gel. If you're having a difficult time or hard time with the crystal placement and stays on, this condensed glue gel will be your bestie on that feel. Will just, you know, solve all the problem and avoiding from crystal coming off, charm chains and beads. So now I'm floating on the top of the uncured condensed glue gels, and I want to add some crystal on it. But now if you don't want anything, leave it alone like this. Perfect. Just top coat and you're good to go. I'm gonna add just a little bit. And like this orange, pink on. I'm using it for my subscription box right now. So excited it has like neon for me to working with. You know, you can leave it there or you can add some beads on between. Just think about subscription boxes had the it's had the neons. It's already exciting, you know. And then you have like a lot of tons of other. Also have your precision glue gel. So a lot of you is really want to try out Glitz precision glue gel. It's been changing a lot of like having 1,000 of clients saving the crystals on their nails. So then they'll be happy. They're coming back with more crystal placement. It's have the clients really confident with what they're wearing. And they show up the beautiful nails and bring you more clients. Oh. You can continue to add more if you feel like you want to. Maybe just a couple more here. Hey, but you can always stop at any point, okay? I just want to be a little bit like summary. And for this nails that you're doing for your clients, it's really depend on the salon location. You are doing 3 techniques on these nails right now, which is you are doing gel painting, neon pigment, and then you are doing a crystal placement. So you can consult with your clients and let them know how many techniques you're using, and then you can go from there. So 3 techniques, if a minimum of each techniques will be $5, so then this is going to be at least $15 for this nail, just for your preference. just in case you were wondering how much. And then also depend on the salon location, your techniques and your products you're using, so then you can price accordingly. For all DIYs at home, there's gonna be give you a lot of fun, stunning things to do. All right, I'm so happy with this. You can add this on. Hold on, I think I need one more. Sorry, but I'm not gonna jump into the source line, so I'm staying in my own lane right here, and just add the little cuties here. You know what? I think I want this one on my next set. You think, babe? It's gonna be cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. That pattern is super colorful.
It's so beautiful, though.
Mm-hmm.
You always can find me. You can say, babe, where are you? Where are you? I'm here. I say, where? You see my nails? So, oh, I found you. Just in case I got lost in shopping or the grocery store, he can find me. I'm right here. You know what? It glows in the black light, though. All right. Oh, I like that a lot. But hey, that is dramatics. But if you don't want that, you can.